Today we are going to be making a bentonite clay and activated charcoal mask. We have our bentonite clay, our activated charcoal, and witch hazel. Make sure to use a plastic container and plastic utensils instead of your regular silverware because bentonite clay absorbs metal, which will make the mask less effective. You are going to do 2 tablespoons of the clay, 2 tablespoons of activated charcoal, and you're going to use the witch hazel to mix it into a paste. Shout out to my wellness coach, Jungle, who gave me this recipe to detoxify my skin. I will have his information linked below. And this is what your mask should look like. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you about the benefits of each ingredient. The first ingredient is bentonite clay. This clay contains minerals such as calcium, magnesium, silica, sodium, copper, iron, and potassium. When used as a clay mask, it draws bacteria out of the skin and promotes healing for various skin problems such as acne and contact dermatitis. It has also been proven to treat poison ivy exposure. A little fun fact, bentonite clay also has natural antibacterial and healing properties when applied to wounds. Okay, so moving along to the benefits of activated charcoal. Activated charcoal effectively cleanses the skin, unclogs pores, removes deeper impurities and dead skin cells. Activated charcoal attracts dirt, toxins, heavy metals, chemicals, and other poisons which will wash away when you rinse off your mask. And for the witch hazel, it's just an overall good toner and cleanser to use, and it also mixes well with this clay mask. Okay, now you're going to leave this mask on for 15 minutes and then rinse it off with cool and warm water. During this time, you can drink your water because that's amazing for your skin. As the time goes by, the mask will harden, as you can see. When rinsing this mask off, please be gentle as the activated charcoal acts as an exfoliant. I follow up with my rose water for a toner, then I add my favorite moisturizer, and then I'm left with clean, detoxified, and glowing skin. I hope you guys enjoy this mask. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and always, thanks for watching.